Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with, I believe, an ATC trade. I'm not sure from who because the only address on here is mine. But Miss Cat's Crafting is the host of this. It's a 2024 ATC trade. It's through her Facebook group, I think, or she invited a bunch of people. But if you're interested in finding out about this ATC trade, just go on Mrs. Cat's Crafting channel. I keep wanting to say her old name. And just leave a comment in one of her videos. And if you're new, subby, to her channel, let her know I sent you also, because she has giveaways every month. Sometimes one, sometimes two, sometimes more. When Kathy decides to do a giveaway, she's all in. So, if you have never heard of Miss Cat's Crafting and you decide to go over there, let her know I sent you. And ask her about the 2024 ATC trade, and she'll give you all the information you need to know. So, got that covered. This is my Friendship Across the World book. And I already did one person's. I gotta cover something before I go in there. There we go. And I actually did two people. I got this lovely card. I put that there. And then this is from Sabrina's Crafty Journey. And this is all the little stuff she sent me. And you can't, her real name's up here, that's why I'm just in case she doesn't want anybody to see that. And then this is like this. So, we're going to see who's this from, because I don't know. So, I'm going to take it out. But look at the little, you definitely know I'm going to cut that out. And I'm also going to use those little cute stamps. They're little elves. Look at them, so cute. Alright, so let's see. I kind of slid it with my little thingy envelope opener. Oh, look at it. Oh, boy. Today is a very special day. Oh, let's see, more goodies. So let's see who this is from. Oh, boy. Okay. Tina, thanks for participating in the ATC swap in Kathy's group. Hope you enjoyed the extras in the ATC I made. Hope 2024 brings you happiness and great health. Your crafting friend, Crafter Deidra on YouTube. Okay, Deidra. Crafter Deidra. So, let's see. So, we got an affirmation card. Affirmation card. Each card has a positive inspiration message to start your day. Okay, today I am confident. Today I am who I am, and I am capable of doing anything that I put my mind to. I like these. Where'd you get these? Positive inspiration message to start your day. Oh my Lord, I'm going to have to find these. I wouldn't mind picking one card of these a day and just reading it. Them are cool. I'm not gluing that down either. So I can... That's so cool. Alright. So, we got little... You're a magical, wild... You wild magical unicorn. It's a little unicorn and a cloud. Oh, look at little dice. Some campers. More campers. Okay. Oh, look at the cat with the cup and the unicorn. Them are so cute. Little peace symbol, looks like. A little koala. Or is that a... Oh, what is this? It's got a little ice cream. I don't think it was a koala. Oh, God, that real slow animal. Can't think of it. Wonder? Oh, look at the kitty cat. Wonder Woman. I'm a stranger in... Wonder Woman. I am stronger than I'm broken. Roxy Gray. That's cool. These are some cool inspiration quotes here. One destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Henry Miller. One destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. That's cool, too. They're cool. This says, skies... Oh, man, it's hard for me to read. Sky above me, earth below me, fire within me. Sky above me, earth below me, and fire within me. That's cool. A leaf. And an umbrella that says shade. And oh yay. And I tried pineapple. And I got to her AC card. Oh, this is cute. Moments to cherish. Birthday. August 11th. Style. Anything but vintage and grunge. Style. Anything but vintage and grunge. Favorite color teal. Made by crafter Deidra. June 2023. That's cute. I like how she's got the pattern paper. And she's got the little gal. Moments to cherish. And it's a real pretty rose. That's cool. So. Got my little stand here. I'm going to put this to the side. Like so. You guys see it? I hope you're seeing this. I should look. We're going to actually take all this off to here. And I'm going to put her card at the top so it flips open. There's nothing on the back except for the little flower. But that's alright. I got to find that right there. I have Sabrina still out here. I got to... You know what I got in the closet yesterday to get the composition book out. I was in the closet for something else, and I just actually decided to grab the composition book. I should have grabbed the binder to put my ATC cards in. So I gotta do that, so I don't lose them on my desk, because I will, and that's not fair to you lovely ladies. And put them in right away. I should have had that set up. So I will write myself a note after this video to do that. There we go. All right. Oop. Drop C. Dropping things. Oh. Okay. So I like this idea that Kathy came up with. Putting the things down in like a composition. Kind of like a glue book kind of thing. Oh, this page tore. You know what? I'm going to move this down a little bit because this page is tore on the other side, and this will help that. So we'll put that right there, actually. Add a little bit more glue. Well, there we go. I just realized it was tore. So that fixed that. Cool. Alright. Put this. I like these little stickers with the inspiration. Them are cool. Them are really neat. So I want to be able to always read them. That one there, and where's that other one? This one's going to go right there. Okay. You know what I want mine getting is more magazines that I can get things out of, because I am not paying that price for magazines. It's crazy what they want for magazines this day. And I never get lucky at the thrift stores to find a good deal on the ones that I could get a lot out of. Because I bet you these are off some book. So I'm not going to glue this card down. What I'm going to do is stick it in there. And we're just going to add these stickers in the campers. Here's the camper. Right there. And another camper. Campers are kind of cute. And we have a unicorn that looks like he's doing exercises. Like he's doing pull-ups. Cute, cute. We got Wonder. Put that down there. Peace. Got a dice. Cute. Oh, I missed a cloud on this. I just realized I missed a cloud. Oh, there. There we go. I like this cat. He's so awesome, actually. I just love him. We're going to actually lift that up. I'm going to put him like right here. He goes, you don't really like that. You have to bring it up to see the rest. I just dig him. Just like this one. Hey, oops, I'm going to move that over. Cute, cute, cute. Oh yeah, I forgot about this dude. Put him right there. And we got the pineapple. Oh, put the pineapple. Oh, I don't want to cover up the flowers. We'll put the pineapple right there. And then I got these pretty ones. I forgot I was going to use. So I don't want to... Should have forgot about this. I'm just going to put that kind of in somehow. Well, I don't know if I can use it. Because I should have thought before I started laying down stuff. But I'm going to add her cute little elf stamps off her envelope. They're adorable. Aren't they cute? One thing about doing a little collage like this, you take bits and parts and make it sometimes work. Like I'm trying right now. I just think I'm going to just glue them on top of the card. Like so. There we go. Voila. Nice. A paper clip. This, and I am just going to, I don't want to cover the card up because this is so cool. I mean, them are neat. I'm going to put that right here, like so. Boom. Now I'm gonna leave that open for now, so it kind of till it glues. But there you go. That is my layout with all the goodies I got from Deidra. She is Crafter Deidra. I'm not sure. Yep, Crafter Deidra on YouTube. So I will link her channel in the description box below. So go check out her channel. And this is her ATC. I like how she did this. I don't know where she got. Oh, that's what that was. Okay, this came out of the envelope, and I'm gonna replace it. It's a button. I just saw that, and I couldn't figure out what that was from until I looked. She put a real little purple button there. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take. I think it's just on with heat, some hot glue, and I'll just heat that up a little bit, and I'll replace that button. But I like how she took that pattern paper. I don't know where she got these little image of this girl, but that's cute. So that's Deidra's. And of course, this is Sabrina's over here. Like I said, I gotta put them away. I gotta get my folder out, or my binder, and my baseball card sleeves to put them in. So I want to thank Deidra and of course Sabrina again. This is fun. I can't wait to continue doing this with the next persons I receive. I'm enjoying this. And I'm going to put Deidra's name along here and the date. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Deidra, again. And go check out Kat's. Miss Kat's Crafting 2024 ATC Trade. See, I made this sign. This is my thumbnail. And I printed this out because I keep on wanting to say Miss Kat's Crafting's old channel. Because she switched her name on me. So I printed this out so I had a reminder. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.